Hello, welcome to another podcast of Master Investor. Glad to be here again on another valuable talk on business, money, and investment. My name is Jose, I'm the founder of the company and brand here at Master Investor. If you're new to our community, ensure to subscribe and follow us on all other social media platforms. Click the link in the description to download our ebook and have access to our digital course, How to Build Cash Flow with the Internet, Turn Passive Income On. Whenever you're ready to start building the asset column with real assets that produce passive income and capital gains income, then make sure to click that link so that you have access to our assets that will help you build the asset column. Today is February 23rd, 2024, Mastering the Art of Acquiring Cash Flow and Assets. Today's golden rule is focus on building the asset column daily with real assets that we control with our companies. Today's title is Accelerating Wealth Accumulation Online, Strategies for Fast-Track Financial Success. In an era defined by digital innovation and limitless opportunities, accumulating wealth online has become a compelling aspiration for many individuals seeking financial independence and abundance. While traditional path to wealth may require years of dedication and patience, the digital realm offers avenues for fast-tracking wealth accumulation with strategic planning and execution. In today's talk, we will explore actionable strategies and principles for accelerating wealth accumulation online, empowering us to achieve our financial goals at an unprecedented pace. Number one, identify lucrative opportunities. The first step towards accelerating wealth accumulation online is identifying high potential opportunities for generating income. Explore various online business models such as e-commerce, affiliate marketing, digital products, freelancing, online courses, and content creation. Conduct thorough market research to assess demand, competition, and profitability within our chosen niche. Identify underserved markets or emerging trends where we can capitalize on untapped opportunities for rapid wealth accumulation. Number two, leverage scalable business models. Scalability is a key determinant of accelerated wealth accumulation online. Focus on building businesses or income streams that can scale rapidly with minimal incremental effort or resources. E-commerce businesses, digital products, and subscription-based models are examples of scalable business models that allows us to reach a broad audience and generate exponential revenue growth over time. Prioritize scalability in our business strategy to maximize our wealth building potential. Number three, embrace automation and outsourcing. Automation and outsourcing are powerful tools for streamlining processes, increasing efficiency, and freeing up our time to focus on high-impact activities. Leverage automation tools, software solutions, and workflow optimization techniques to automate repetitive tasks such as email marketing, customer support, and data analysis. Delegate non-core activities to virtual assistants, freelancers, or agencies to leverage their expertise and scale our operations rapidly. By embracing automation and outsourcing, we can accelerate wealth accumulation by maximizing productivity and minimizing time constraints. Number four, invest in high ROI assets. Strategic investments play a pivotal role in accelerating wealth accumulation online. Allocate capital towards high return assets such as stocks, cryptocurrency, commercial real estate, commodities, and alternative investments with the potential for significant appreciation or passive income generation. Diversify our investment portfolio to mitigate risk and optimize returns across different asset classes. There are 5 different asset classes that exist. Number 1, real estate. Number 2, business. Number 3, crypto. Number 4, paper assets. Number 5, commodities. Leverage investment strategies such as dollar cost averaging, value investing, and opportunistic trading to capitalize on market opportunities and maximize our wealth building potential. Number 5, monetize our skills and expertise. Our skills, knowledge, and expertise are valuable assets that can be monetized effectively online. Identify our areas of expertise, whether it is in technology, marketing, design, writing, or consulting, and leverage them to create income streams. Offer freelance services, consultant packages, or online courses to clients or students seeking our specialized skills. Monetize our expertise through coaching, mentoring, or speaking engagements to generate high margin income streams that accelerate our wealth accumulation journey. Number 6, optimize for passive income. Passive income streams are instrumental in accelerating wealth accumulation by generating consistent revenue with minimal ongoing effort. Focus on building passive income streams through dividend-paying stocks, rental properties, affiliate marketing, digital products, membership sites, or royalties. Invest time and resources upfront to create assets or systems that generate passive income reliably over time. Prioritize scalability, sustainability, and recurring revenue in our passive income endeavors to maximize our wealth building potential. Number 7, continuously learn and adapt. The digital landscape is dynamic and ever evolving, requiring continuous learning and adaptation to stay ahead of the curve. Invest in our personal and professional development by acquiring new skills and staying abreast of industry trends and networking with like-minded individuals. Experiment with new strategies, test different approaches, can be open to feedback and iteration. Embrace a growth mindset that fosters resilience, creativity, and innovation, enabling us to navigate challenges and seize opportunities for accelerated wealth accumulation online. Number 8, take calculated risk. Accelerating wealth accumulation often requires taking calculated risk and stepping outside our comfort zone. Evaluate potential opportunities and assess the associated risks and rewards before making investment decisions. Embrace a risk-reward approach that balances risk mitigation strategies with the pursuit of high potential opportunities. Be willing to take calculated risks that align with our long-term financial goals and risk tolerance, knowing that calculated risks are essential for achieving extraordinary results. In conclusion, accumulating wealth online at an accelerated pace is within reach for those who are proactive, strategic, and resourceful in our approach. By identifying lucrative opportunities, embracing scalable business models, leveraging automation and outsourcing, investing in high ROI assets, monetizing our skills and expertise, optimizing for passive income, continuously learning and adapting, and taking calculated risks, we can fast-track our wealth accumulation journey and achieve financial abundance in the digital age. Seize the opportunities that abound in the online realm and embark on a path towards accelerated wealth accumulation that empowers us to live life on our own terms. I hope that you enjoyed today's talk. Let me know your feedback. We are doing a live stream on YouTube every single day. You can join us there. We're sharing content about money, business, and investing. That's what we're all about here at Master Investor. Our mission is to elevate the financial well-being of humanity through high-quality financial education made simple. We look for opportunities to build passive income and true wealth. Remember, there are 2 types of debt, good debt and bad debt. We encourage everyone to master the ability to use debt to become wealthy, because debt is tax-free, because money is created with debt. So when we use debt, it's tax-free right from the gate. And when we use debt to buy assets that produce passive income and capital gains income, then we can also minimize taxes on that income, because those are the 2 types of income that comes from investing, which the laws and tax code are in the favor of those 2 types of income. So we can minimize taxes when we do the right tax strategy ahead of the year, so that we know exactly where we're going to allocate each and every single dollar that we handle. It's all about learning how to make money work hard through sound investing, and making sure that we master the ability to raise capital, to sell without selling, right? That the job number 1 of an entrepreneur is to raise capital, and the number 1 skill is to sell without selling, using systems and smart marketing. And the job number 1 of an investor, a master investor, is to make money work hard through sound investing. Rule number 1 in our community here at Master Investor is that we work to build passive income and make money work hard through sound investing. Start investing today in your financial education. Expand your expenses, expand your ideal scene, your environment. What is going to be your wealth number? What is the amount of cash flow and capital gains income that you require in order to live the lifestyle that you always dream. Let's reverse engineer that. Get inside of our digital course, How to Build Cash Flow with the Internet. We have 3 ebooks. That one, the 10 new rules of money and how to invest in crypto to build wealth, understanding Bitcoin and blockchain. Today, crypto is not just an asset to hold for capital gains income, is now a currency. Crypto is the new money. So it's important that we get knowledgeable about crypto because we can utilize it to become wealthy fast as well. Crypto is one of the asset classes that exist. So we need to make sure that we diversify among the 5 different asset classes to protect ourselves from down economy and hedge for inflation. Bring you the good and bad news of money, the business principles that work in all economies. I appreciate you being here. Again, keep a Master Investor working, investing with us in our digital products and services that we have here in our community. Talk to you on the next podcast. Make sure you share, comment, and like. Stay extraordinary and wealthy. Bye for now.